What happened? Why it is not coming? So today we'll discuss heat capacity because yesterday we have already discussed introduction to thermodynamics and also internal energy. And based on the internal energy, I have given some numericals. So I think you do not have any problem with them. Still, some students are joining with their. Achha, can you please tell me how many students are not joining with your KIT email ID? Please raise your hands. How many students are here who has not joined with their KIT email ID? How many students? How many students are here who have not joined with KIT email ID? Ajay Sankar, is it your KIT email ID? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now, how many students have joined without KIT email ID? Okay, Ajay 766, is it your KIT email ID?
Yes, ma'am.
767, 767, Amit Singh. Amit Singh, are you present? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Is it your KIT email ID?
Yes, ma'am.
768, Amlan Ranjan.
Ma'am, it is my key email ID.
770, Ankit Sinha.
Yes, ma'am. I'm using the KTML
Ankit
ID.
Anurag, 771.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
772,
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
773.
Ma'am.
Is it your KIT email ID?
Yes, ma'am. It is my KIT email ID.
774, Anushka.
Yes, ma'am. KIT email ID.
775.
Yes, ma'am. It is.
Anu, is it KIT email ID?
Yes, ma'am. KTML ID.
776.
Yes, ma'am. KTML ID.
But just now I have entered some of the students, those who have not joined with their KIT email ID. Everybody is telling that it is. May I know who are the students who have not joined with their KIT email ID? Is it actually it is difficult to find out, and it will also time consuming. Please voluntarily, please tell me. Otherwise, you will face problem, or else I'll just remove from the meeting, or I'll not allow you. If you are not telling, it is really difficult to take the class. 825, 825. Is it your KIT email ID?
Yes, ma'am.
just now I have allowed few students. So everybody has joined with your kit email ID.
Yes, ma'am. It's
Yes, ma'am.
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 But then how it is? Anyway. So if it is not your kit email ID, then you will face problem at the time of submission of your practice. I will not help you. Okay, so let us discuss. Already we have discussed internal energy. Today we will discuss heat capacity. Subham Pal, are you present in the meeting? Are you present
Yes,
in this
ma'am.
class?
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, repeatedly I'm telling you that when you are sending any email to the administration or any of the university for solving any issues, then please use my kit email ID. Why you are using my personal email ID? Nobody will know me that who am I if I am not using any kit email ID or any, my official email ID. Okay. Okay, so for
Okay, ma'am.
like to my mentees, I'm telling you, those who are
Okay, ma'am.
those who are writing an email to university, then please keep me in CC with my kit email ID. Okay, so it is difficult; they cannot know me. Who am I? Okay, okay. Then so today we'll discuss heat capacity. What do you mean by heat capacity? So it is the ratio of heat absorbed by a material to the temperature change, to the change in temperature. Okay, so C is equal to Q by T2 minus T1. Okay, what is the unit? Calorie per gram.
Joule per Kelvin.
हाँ जूल पर कैलोरी.
Kelvin.
अच्छा. Okay, so can you tell me what is the significance of heat capacity? What is the significance of heat capacity?
Ma'am,
What is
heat capacity has got many physical uses, such as it is used as such as the coolants which are used in automobiles. They have got high heat capacity so that it can absorb a large amount of heat radiating from the motors, while the cooler itself gets heated gets heated to a small temperature. Thus, it can cool a large amount of heat from the motors. This is the physical application of heat capacity.
So do you think that it has larger heat capacity or smaller heat capacity? Means low heat capacity or high heat capacity?
High heat capacity.
So what about the frying pan and other utensils you are using in the kitchen? It has low heat capacity or high heat capacity?
Low heat capacity, ma'am.
Yes, low heat capacity, because if it will keep absorb the heat so much, then it is you cannot use it in the kitchen. Okay, so these are the physical application of heat capacity. Do you know Cp minus Cv is equal to R?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Mirror relation.
You know?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you derive? So what do you mean by specific heat capacity? Specific heat capacity.
Heat exchange between system and surrounding by 1 Kelvin.
For a specific substance.
Okay, good. When the mass is 1 gram, isn't it? When the mass is 1 gram is specific heat capacity, and when it is 1 mole, it is molar heat capacity. So just know the terminologies. So molar heat capacity when the substance is of 1 mole. At constant volume, is equal to Cv. At constant pressure, it is Cp. So that Mayer formula, shall I explain, or you will just the relationship between Cp and Cv?
Yes, ma'am. Cp minus Cv is equals to what?
Relationship between Cp and Cv. R and Cp by Cv is equal to gamma. So it is a constant. Can you derive, or shall I derive for you? So why Cp is greater than Cv? Who can answer? Why Cp is greater than Cv? Who can answer?
Ma'am, delta H greater than delta U.
Why?
Ma'am, because Cp equals to delta H by delta T and Cv equals to delta U by delta T.
Correct. So how delta H is greater than delta E? And why?
Ma'am, delta H equals to delta U plus R delta T.
Oh, in that sense you are telling.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, when a gas is heated at constant volume, no external work is done by that gas. Okay, so all the heat supplied to the gas is used in increasing its internal energy. Okay. But when the gas is heated at constant pressure, then also some external, some work will be done. So some extra heat is required to increase the internal energy. That's why Cp is always greater than Cv. Okay. So Cp is equal to Qp by delta T QP is equal to CP delta T, which is equal to del H. CP is equal to QB delta T. QB is equal to CB delta T, which is equal to del U. So again, you know del H is equal to del U plus P del V. Del RT because PV is equal to RT.
मैम थोड़ा सा ऊपर स्क्रॉल कीजिएगा ना, एक लाइन ऊपर,
हेलो हुआ
एक लाइन ऊपर ले।
ऊपर
हाँ थैंक यू। यस मैम।
हो गया। CP by CB is equal to gamma. That also shall I prove or you will do homework? Just quickly inform me. Accordingly, we will proceed. Will I do?
Yes, ma'am.
CP by CB is equal to gamma. Shall I prove or you can prove? Okay. So let 1 mole of a gas enclosed in a vessel. Okay. So you know number of moles is equal to Avogadro's number. That value also you know. So let us put in. So kinetic energy of one molecule of the gas is equal to half FAT here, where F is equal to degrees of freedom. Do you know what is degrees of freedom? How many degrees of freedom are there? What is degrees of freedom?
Three.
What are these?
Translational, rotational, and vibrational.
Very good. Translational, rotational, and vibrational. So in a molecule, there are 3 degrees of freedom. So if it is a linear molecule, how many degrees of freedom are there?
3.
Linear.
One.
1.
What are 2? If it is a linear molecule, how many degrees of freedom are there?
Ma'am, 5.
वाह, कुछ भी बोल लेते हो. Just a minute. Trying to see. I want to show you something. Decrease of freedom of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a linear molecule or non-linear molecule?
Ma'am, linear.
Linear, ma'am.
So number of number of vibrations is equal to 3n minus 5. No, actually I just decrease of freedom. I want to explain you. It is molecular vibration I'm getting. Actually I'm searching in the web. It is okay, I got. Let me share. Why it is slow? So here it is a monoatomic molecule or any gas neon, monoatomic gas or molecule you can say. So degrees of freedom is 3 because only transnational modes are possible, and transnational modes of vibration or freedom is there. For diatomic it is 6 because 3 translational, 2 rotational, 1 vibrational. Okay, so when it is a triatomic, all are linear molecule, but the number of atoms is also playing a role. 3n minus 5 for linear molecule, 3n minus 6 for non-linear molecules to find out the degrees, vibrational degrees of freedom. Okay, so for diatomic molecule there are 3 translational, 2 rotational, 1 vibrational. And for this, this is a non-linear molecule like water. Here 3 translational, 3 rotational, 3 vibrational, because in X, Y and Z direction all possible rotations are possible. Okay. So in the all possible direction the rotations are possible. So there are 9 degrees of freedom. 3 translational, 3 rotational and 3 vibrational. But in the case of linear molecule, the rotational and vibrational degrees of freedom are not there. Okay. Now is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here a kinetic energy of one molecule of the gas is equal to half FKT. Here F is your degrees of freedom. So don't forget now what is degrees of freedom, and it varies for linear, non-linear molecules. Okay. So here and again you know K is your Boltzmann constant. and that is equal to R by N. What is R here? What is R here?
Gas constant.
Yes, gas constant. So heating at constant volume then Q is equal to Cv dt, because you know Cv is equal to constant volume, Cv is equal to Q by dt. So I can write now Q is equal to Cv dt. Again, you know that from first law of thermodynamics, del U is equal to Q plus W. As we are considering that this is happening at constant volume, so the work done is 0. Since we have assumed volume is constant, so W is equal to 0. So del U is equal to Q. And again also we know that del U is equal to Cv dt. That is equal to half F RT. So again we know that from Mayer's formula, Cp minus Cv is equal to R. So Cp is equal to R plus Cv. And again you know that Cv is equal to half Fr plus R. So if we write it is R will be taken as common, then it is 1 plus F by 2. Okay, so Cp by Cv is equal to R into 1 plus F by 2 by 1 by 2 Fr. So 1 plus F by 2 of F. Okay. So according the gamma value is 1.66. Here gamma is equal to 1.4. Gamma is equal to 2.2. So please write all the steps. If you have any doubt, you can ask me.
इंग्लिश क्लास आता
Okay, please check all the steps. If you have any query, please let me know.
9:40 In this class was time I
Ma'am,
will
could you show the first few steps?
What is that? Surajita?
Ma'am, could you show the first few steps? I think I've skipped one.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Emang gue aja baca apa? Tapi itu
Is it fine? Any doubts? Student, do you have any
No,
doubts? No.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
No. Okay then. So let us discuss some of the numericals. Calculate Please calculate.
I'm 700, 500.
How much?
700 and 500.
700 and 500. For everyone, is it?
Ma'am,
Yes,
What
ma'am.
is the n value? How many moles are here?
ma'am, 1400 and
Two moles.
1000.
1400 and 1000.
2 moles.
1400 and 1000.
So del U is equal to NCV del T. So del T is equal to how much?
Del T, 100.
degrees Celsius.
100, ma'am.
100 degrees Celsius. So how it will change in Kelvin? To
Since it's delta T, so
both are in degrees Celsius. That's why.
delta T, so change in temperature does not depend on unit.
Unit. मैम इन एनी केस डेल्टा टी will be 100. मैम डेल्टा टी तो 100 ही होगा ना, क्योंकि सेल्सियस और केल्विन का डिफरेंस तो 100 ही आएगा.
हाँ 100 ही है. So del H is equal to N Cp del T. So Cp and Cv are given, so you can easily find it out by using these formulas. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So next question, calculate the amount of heat required
Ma'am,
to, yes,
ma'am, in the previous question you wrote n is equal to 2. Ma'am, there must be 1, I guess.
32 gram. So how
So,
it
ma'am-
will be 1?
Ma'am, molar mass 16, O2 32 by 32, 1 moles.
Oxygen, the molar mass is 16. Yes,
Yes,
correct.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. 1 mole होगा.
32.
Ma'am, 1 mole होना चाहिए.
O2 is a molecule ना.
O2 is a molecule, but for atom it is O2 is the molecule, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
It will be 2 mole. I'm a bit confused.
Ma'am, me too.
No, ma'am, 1 होगा.
Ma'am, O2 molecular weight is 32, so the number of moles should be 32 by 32 1.
1.
Yes, ma'am. It will be 1. Yes, ma'am. It will be 1.
But for oxygen, the molar mass is 16, isn't it?
Ma'am, but there is
Yes, ma'am. But since it's 2, therefore 16 into 2, that is 30.
molar mass of oxygen, that is O only. Here it is O2, oxygen.
Yes.
Ma'am, therefore the molar
That's
mass
why-
will be 32.
Yes, for one oxygen, like you are talking, oxygen atom it is 16, oxygen molecule it is 32.
Yes, ma'am. So here, ma'am, here if it says only atom, then the moles will be n is equal to 2. But there's
Yes,
a
you are
molecule
correct.
only, no?
You are correct. Calculate the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 90 gram of water from, but don't, if it would be oxygen only, if I would write oxygen, then you
Then it will be n is equal to
Then it will be 2 moles.
Now you calculate.
Ma'am, 6750.
Yes, ma'am, 6750.
6750 calorie.
What is the value of n here?
5.
And 5.
So you know, then Q is equal to N C okay, so N is equal to 5, 18, and what is delta T? 25 degrees Celsius and 100 degrees Celsius. What is the difference? 75, I think. Answer in calorie. So do you, any of you who could not understand? Any of you who could not understand?
Ma'am, could you please explain the previous question?
This question or previous?
Ma'am, the previous one.
Previous one. Okay, tell me, where is the problem? Regarding the mole only?
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, oxygen atom has the atomic number is 18 and molecular weight is or molecular mass is 16. Do you know this one or not?
Yes, ma'am.
So here it is written O2. If I would write oxygen, then I have not written whether it is atom or molecule. At that time, if 32 gram, it is 2 moles. Because the molecular mass, what it is for one oxygen. Only oxygen atom is 16 gram. But when I'm talking about oxygen molecule, then 16 plus 16, it is 32 gram. So when it is 32 gram and I have written O2, then 32 by 32. So it is 1 mole only. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
And for the next question, the molecular weight of water. So it is H2O. So for oxygen, it is 16 plus one hydrogen, it is 1, another one hydrogen, it is 1. So altogether, it is 2. So 18 gram for 1 mole of water. So now it is 90 gram. So how many moles of water will be in 90 gram? 18, 5 are 90. So 5 moles are there.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay then. So next is entropy. How much time is there? Only 7 minutes. So only. Oh, I have to check that. Why few students are not joining? Let me check whether in SAP it is updated or not. Okay, so I have already recorded your attendance, but it is I think few students have not joined till now. Like last class also, 3 students have not joined today also. I don't know what is happening actually, why they are not joining. Okay, and it is really difficult to check who has joined and who has not. I have to check each and everyone's roll number. But I think in SAP, once it is updated, so if you are not joining, then it is, and your attendance is below 75%, then you will not be allowed to sit in the exam. Okay, so please attend the classes. And those who are suffering from anything, then it's okay. I'll take their classes separately, or if they are not able to understand in any of the portions, they can ask me. I can take special classes for them. Okay, but those who are fit and fine, they should attend the classes. Okay, so now we'll discuss entropy. So entropy is the measurement of randomness or disorderliness of a molecular at the molecular level of a system, and it is denoted as S. So can you give example of entropy? Some physical example of entropy.
Solid to liquid, liquid to gas.
Yes. So when it is in solid form, just for example, it is ice, then the entropy is more or less.
Less.
The entropy is less. And when it is in water, so we are just discussing ice, water, and water vapor. Okay. So when it is in ice form, the entropy is less. But in the case of water, it is
More.
and in case of vapor, maximum. Okay, so here already you know what is entropy, and also you can visualize, and you are also in the physical form, you know that how entropy is also playing a role in our day-to-day life. Can you give one example? So when you are carom board, that what is that?
striker.
Yes, that striker, that you will one by one, it will put one after one, and you will just remove, or you will just disturb only one striker, then it will also disturb the whole system. And it will also put a coin one by one over one. So then also it will just disturb only one coin, then it will also disturb the whole system. And when in the case of bricks, you may get one question in your examination, that if you tossed bricks of a truck, which kind of pile of bricks would you more likely produce? Okay, so you may get some figure, and you have to choose which one you will get. So when you tossed bricks of a truck, which kind of pile of bricks would you more likely produce? So one picture will be in the ordered form, and another one will be in a disordered form. So when you are tossing, means you will just get the somewhere here, somewhere here. So this form you will, disordered is more probable than the ordered form. So that you have to put the tick. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So do you like in your life entropy should be more or less?
Less.
Less entropy. Then why you are trying to come to the campus? Your entropy is high.
I'm not trying.
You are not trying.
मैम एनर्जी बहुत ज्यादा ही कम हो गया है, थोड़ा बढ़ाने की जरूरत है।
जरूरत है एकदम। लेकिन यहाँ पे ना हमारे डिपार्टमेंट तो 3 लोगों को कोविड है। कल तो डी ब्लॉक एक है, फैकल्टी ब्लॉक, वो पूरे मतलब उसमें किसी को हुआ है पता नहीं, मुझे तो नहीं समझ में आ रहा है एक्चुअली, मैं तो जा रही हूँ, लेकिन हुआ है किसी को। इट्स रियली डिफिकल्ट एक्चुअली, कब खुलेगा मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, और मुझे नहीं पसंद है ये ऑनलाइन क्लास।
किसी को नहीं पसंद है मैम।
2 साल से वही ले रहे हैं, और फिर ये 9 बजे का क्लास तो घर से लेना पड़ता है, और फिर उस टाइम में बच्चों का क्लास होता है, बहुत डिफिकल्ट। इट्स डिफिकल्ट एक्चुअली। एंड मुझे लगता है जितना हम लोग चाहते हैं उतना हो नहीं पाता है एक्चुअली। द वे यू ट्राई टू एक्सप्रेस एंड ऑन द बोर्ड, that cannot be compared to write on the screen of a laptop. Still I'm trying. Okay, so entropy helps us in judging if a thermodynamic process is spontaneous or non-spontaneous. Okay, so entropy decide, or by entropy you can judge whether the thermodynamic process is spontaneous or non-spontaneous. All of you please join your next class. Do you have a class after this?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. We have a break.
No, ma'am.
Break.
Oh, few students have left the class. I think they are leaving the class because they have another one class. Okay, no problem. Now it is 10 o'clock and we'll just stop here, and maybe Tuesday you have another theory class. Monday you have the lab class, isn't it?
Yes ma'am।
Yes, you have certain tomorrow. I don't think that you have class. Do you know tomorrow is a class is there or not?
Yes ma'am, we have।
Yes, ma'am.
We have tomorrow। Ma'am,
Which day timetable?
Tuesday.
tomorrow
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Tuesday timetable. Where it is written?
Ma'am, a PDF was circulated in
एक minute.
some platform।
Okay, let me check.
मैम
Just
प्रैक्टिकल के लिए कॉपी बनाना होगा क्या अलग से, वो जो एक मोटा कॉपी आता है?
Monday we have chemistry lab class.
Monday you have lab class, but today, who told you have classes? Tomorrow. Oh, no, I'm not getting. Can you please give me that PDF? Which one you got for Saturday class?
Yes, ma'am.
I didn't get till now. Please send me, any of you, please send me in the group. If you do not have class now, just
I also don't have that PDF with me.
any of you please send me, otherwise I have to ask in the class. Sorry, to someone. Be kind. No. Where from you got this one?
Ma'am, PCom class yesterday.
Okay. BP Mishra. Tuesday class. So Tuesday, I think. Okay, I think no chemistry class is there, no? There's no chemistry class. Okay, then let's stop here. And again,
There is no chemistry class.
I will discuss in the next one.
Can you
From 11:20 to 12:20.
क्या है?
Chemistry
There
class.
is one class in there. 1 hour.
Tuesday?
Yes, ma'am. On Tuesday.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me check. Tuesday, yes, 11 to 12. Or 11:20 to 12:20.
Yes, 11:20 to 12:20. On Wednesday, we don't have a chemistry class.
11:20 to 12:20. Okay. So tomorrow, Saturday timetable, just let me check.
मैम हम लोग को प्रैक्टिकल कॉपी बनाना होगा क्या?
आपको मिलेगा प्रैक्टिकल का बुक जैसा, या फिर मैनुअल मिलेगा.
ओके. तो मैम अभी जो लैब क्लासेस होंगे उसमें क्या होगा?
अभी आपको मतलब नॉर्मल प्लेन पेपर में लिख के PDF बना के सबमिट करना है.
बट मैम वो लास्ट लैब क्लास में जो सर लिए थे वो तो बोले कि खरीद के रखने लैब मैनुअल.
Yes, ma'am.
आपको लैब मैनुअल भेजे हैं क्या इंस्टीट्यूट से?
No, ma'am.
No,
मैम
ma'am.
बुक का नहीं बोल कॉपी का.
No, ma'am.
नहीं, लैब मैनुअल एक बुकलेट जैसा होगा, वो है, भेजे हैं क्या?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
तो आप व्हाइट पेपर में लिख के सबमिट कर देना. लास्ट टाइम तो ऐसे ही कर रहे थे बच्चे. ठीक है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
तो मैं और आपका क्लास के जो दिन क्लास होगा उस दिन तो बताएंगे ना, मंडे को. मेरे साथ और एक टीचर भी है ना, मनोज सर. आई थिंक यहाँ पे शुभम आया था. एक्चुअली शुभम हैज कम हियर एंड ही मेट विथ हिम. अनदर वन इज शुभम दास. आर यू हियर? उसको कोविड पॉजिटिव था इसीलिए पूछा. Anyway, let's stop here. Let's meet tomorrow then.
मैम बिफोर एंड लैब मैनुअल में थियरी लिखना था तो वो कब मिलेगा?
थ्योरी लिखने का जरूरत नहीं है. आप सिर्फ जो एक्सपेरिमेंट होगा ना, मैनुअल नहीं मिलेगा तो आप लोग आने से ही मिलेगा. ये लोग का क्या मतलब अभी तक क्या डिसीजन हो रहा है वो नहीं समझ में.
मैम दूसरे ग्रुप में मैम जो केमिस्ट्री का लैब है उसमें मैम वो लोग को भेज दिया है क्या लिखना है सर.
मैं हम लोग को भी मैम पहले से भेज दीजिए क्या क्या लिखना है, तो पता रहेगा कि क्या करना है.
वही मैं भी बोल रहा था.
अभी भेज देती हूँ.
धन्यवाद मैम.
एक काम कर सकते हैं ना,
दे दिया.